tempestuous, tempestuous, tempestuous.
The storm is tempestuous. The waves are wild.
The stormy weather is making me very uncomfortable.
It's like the sea's angry.
Yes.
Prepare to be boarded by the fiercest pirate in these tempestuous seas.
Oh no! We can't let this tempestuous weather or any pirates scare us. Right, team?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Let's take advantage of this tempestuous weather. Do you have any ideas?
I do. Let's take this rope and swing over to the other ship when the waves rock us closer.
That's a fantastic idea. Right. Ready, team?
Aye,
Aye,
Captain.
They're headed here. Maybe they're more than us. Maybe they're stronger than us. Let me have a closer look. They're headed right here. And this tempestuous weather is confusing me. It's getting me all worked up. I can't handle them. Retreat! Retreat! We're going away!
We did it! We scared them all!
That was amazing. We are a dream team.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Fantastic. We did not let anything and anybody scare us. Even in tempestuous weather, we were a dream team. Right, team?
Aye, aye, Captain.
Tempestuous means very wild, stormy, or full of strong, unpredictable emotions. It may refer to a storm when the wind and the sea are out of control, or even to a heated and intense argument. Let's use tempestuous in a sentence now. The family braced themselves as their boat was suddenly hit by a tempestuous storm, the wind howling and waves crashing around them with a fierce, unpredictable intensity. Etymology. Tempestuous comes from the Latin word tempestus, which means storm or commotion. Tempestuous का अर्थ है तूफानी या अप्रत्याशित भावनाओं से भरा हुआ. शाब्दिक अर्थ में इसका संबंध मौसम से हो सकता है जब हवा और समुद्र नियंत्रण से बाहर हो जाएं, और लाक्षणिक अर्थ में इसका उपयोग एक विवाद या तर्क जो नियंत्रण से बाहर हो जाए में भी हो सकता है. इस वीडियो में हम देखते हैं कि एक परिवार समुद्र में एक नाव में है. तभी अचानक मौसम खराब हो जाता है और आंधी आने लगती है.
The storm is tempestuous. The waves are wild.
तभी वे देखते हैं कि एक समुद्री डाकू जहाज उन पर हमला करने वाला होता है. वे घबराने लगते हैं, लेकिन जल्द ही स्थिति को नियंत्रण में ले लेते हैं और टीम वर्क का उपयोग करके टेम्पेस्चुअस तूफान के दौरान भी वे इस कठिन परिस्थिति से बाहर आ जाते हैं.